Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a full tutorial about EARNERSPAY, how you can add your account details, how you can get a product to promote, and also how you can join the mentorship group. So I'm going to log in right now. EARNERSPAY, EARNERSPAY, EARNERSPAY. So I'm going to sign. So I'm going to log in affiliates. I'm going to log in my email so you can see then sign in. I just registered on this platform on 5th of October and I was able to make 6. So I was able to make 6, that is $6. So if you are a beginner, your account, this place that they see that will be 00000. Do you understand? And so if you want to put your account details, you are going to tap on this icon, this head icon, this black head icon by your right side. You tap on it and then you tap on my account. So you are going to see, then you scroll down, you write your bank name, you select your bank name, your account number, and it's going to generate the name, maybe it's correct, and then you tap on update. You can change your password, you will change your password, and then you tap on update. That's for that. So then I'm going to tap on these 3 lines, that's what you have. So between this dashboard and the marketplace, this if as a beginner that have gotten affiliate marketing for beginner or another course, you are going to see the course between the dashboard and the marketplace. You are going to see the course there. So now we are going to go straight to the marketplace. This marketplace is where you are going to get different courses you can promote. This course is $10. You are going to earn 60% commission, that's $6. The affiliate marketing, there's so many courses. This course is $20. You're going to earn 50% commission, that is 10,000 naira. 10,000 times 10 is 100,000. See, there's a lot of money you can earn through affiliate marketing. This is global affiliate marketing, 70%, and this 70% just go through it. $6 live stream blueprint. There's a lot of course on this platform. Just go through it. So I'm going to show you how you can copy your link. Let me say you want to promote this Facebook and IG has mystery program. You tap on the promote products and you allow it to load. So this, then you come to this page, copy your affiliate link. You copy your affiliate. This link is the link you are going to send to your prospect, and when they sign up to get the course, you earn commission. And this VS link, and the second link, is for you to get more details about the course. So you are going to copy it and then click on it to get more details about the course. And access product promotion material, you tap on the promotion to get other promotion materials. Support group, you can tap on the support to join that group where you get more information. Correct sales challenge, you check if they are doing sales challenge for that. So let me back it. So the applet says, this applet says is where they take record. That is where you are going to get details of courses you have promoted, the number of sales you have gotten. The affiliate rank is for those that are the top, I think top 50 people that are performing well. Place of withdraw, what I love about EARNERSPAY is that you can withdraw anytime. You can withdraw anytime, because for other platforms, some platforms may say you need to withdraw on Saturday, you need to withdraw on Friday, you need to withdraw on Monday, you need to withdraw on Sunday. But on EARNERSPAY, when you have sales, you can withdraw anytime. You can withdraw anytime you want your money. But what I like about is that you only have access to withdraw twice daily. You only have access to withdraw twice daily. So you can withdraw your money anytime, any day, in the morning, afternoon, or night. You can withdraw your money. You don't need to wait for a certain day before you can withdraw your money. Sales record, you get, that is where you get record of courses you have promoted. The leaderboard is the list of people that have more sales, and the NAG leaderboard is number of people that have this. So you can check there if you are among the top 50 or top 20. Giant leaderboard is those that are making 6 on this platform. and the affiliate community. The affiliate community, as a beginner, you need to join the community to have access to the community, have access to more details about this platform. And also, as a beginner, that is where the problem is. When you sign up for a course, make sure you go through the course. Make sure you go through the course, because that is where you get information about how to sell online. That is where you get the information about affiliate marketing. That is where you get information on how to make use of social media to promote any digital product or any physical products. Let me tell you, your mentor cannot teach you everything. You need to help yourself before they can help you. Go through that course. I don't understand some people. You don't want to, because you see screenshot, you don't want to learn. Before you can earn in a business, you need to learn in and out of it. You need to understand about that business before you can earn. But some people, they don't want to. When they sign up on this platform, they just want to earn money the second day. It's not done like that. You need to learn everything about the business. You need to learn what you're supposed to do, and you start to implement. When you start to implement it, that is when you get results. So your mentor is just to guide you. Maybe you go through the course and you don't understand some certain, you can ask us, okay, this what am I going to do? And the person will guide you. Not that you will register and be expecting to earn 100 million the second day. It's not possible. You need to learn about something before you are going. That is why they call affiliate market as learn and earn. Learn and earn. And affiliate market is about copy and paste. Use the experience of people. These courses are for people fail that have failed in this business and have achieved. So that sharing that knowledge, your own is also to learn from them and copy and paste what they talk about. Follow the instruction, and that is when you start earning. So you want to start affiliate marketing on NSP, or you want a platform that you can withdraw anytime whenever you get sales. NSP is the best platform. Use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To sign up, and when you sign up, send a message to my WhatsApp that you have signed up to join my mentorship group. So you just have 2 months, 2024 your head. Make sure you make use of your smartphone to earn money, and stop wasting your data streaming and checking people's life. You can make use of that time, you can make use of that data to earn money for yourself before the end of 2025.